Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring ingredients precisely. Pour 250 ml milk and sift 10 g cocoa and 10 g sugar into a bowl. Sprinkle 2 g powdered gelatin over 40 ml cold water to bloom. This step ensures the gelatin dissolves fully and sets smoothly. Once done, warm the milk gently in a saucepan. Do not boil, so the cocoa dissolves and flavors meld. Make sure to whisk constantly to avoid lumps. This early control prevents grainy texture later. Continue by heating the milk-cocoa mixture to about 60–70 degrees C. This temperature melts gelatin without destroying its setting power. Once at temperature, remove from heat and immediately whisk in the bloomed gelatin until completely dissolved. This is critical for a uniform set. If using, stir in 5G vanilla or a pinch of salt to enhance chocolate depth. Make sure to strain the mixture through a fine sieve to catch any undissolved particles and achieve a glossy. Pour the warm, strained chocolate mixture into molds or glasses, filling evenly to ensure consistent setting. Once poured, cool briefly at room temperature, then place in the refrigerator and chill for 3–4 hours until fully firm. This controlled cooling prevents weeping and gives a clean texture. Before serving, run a warm knife around edges if demolding. If the jelly is too soft, next time increase gelatin by 10–20%. If rubbery, reduce by 1/4. That adjustment fixes texture problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.